Hi, Paul Carter with Empire Today. I'm here to show you how Empire can make your flooring replacements easy for you and your property management company. Everything about our process is designed to be easy in terms of replacing your floors so that we turn units faster and you make more money. Let's show you how we do that. First, you're going to get a local sales consultant dedicated to your account. They'll help you to select the right products for your units based on your needs and, of course, your budget. They will measure and provide you with an all-inclusive price for your project. Then, they'll order the products and materials needed to complete your job and schedule installation as quickly as next day on in-stock options. And after your job is complete, they'll be there for you, ready to answer any questions you may have. We help you turn units faster. Because we stock hundreds of carpet and flooring options at the local regional distribution center, we're ready to turn your units fast, even next day. In fact, if there's a product you want that we don't already have available, we can stock it so it's ready to install. We do this every day for other property managers. Plus, to help reduce impact on your business operations, professional installers are available 24/7, even nights and weekends. There's no surprises when estimating your flooring project with Empire. For every project, your consultant gives you an all-inclusive price that includes the flooring, padding and materials, take-up and haul away of the unit's existing flooring, professional installation, and cleanup. The price also includes the project management efforts of your dedicated sales consultant who helps you throughout the process. It's important the products you select stand up to the wear and tear of tenants. Our in-stock selection includes hundreds of durable residential and commercial grade carpet and flooring options from brands you know and trust. We carry carpet, carpet tile, laminate, luxury vinyl plank and tile, ceramic tile, hardwood, and more. Plus, if we don't have it in stock, we can get virtually any product that's offered by most major manufacturers. So that's how we make flooring replacement easy at Empire Today. End-to-end project management service, fast unit turnovers, all-inclusive pricing on the products you want. We'd love to help you with your flooring replacement project, so call your sales consultant and get started today.